तुम्ही पळयत जाल्यार the drowning cases are not simple drowning cases. They are drowning in open mining pits. And of course, one was in the Tilari Canal. First thing I want to tell you about the open mining pits. This is not an issue which has happened just now. Because some years back also, we had in Perne, there were drownings which took place and the government worked and stood up for saying that we are taking action. That remained only in paper. They were supposed to have bio-vegetative fencing to make sure people don't go into those mining pits. They were supposed to have some blockades. It all remained in paper. The government along with the WRD had drawn out a plan, but nothing happened after that. And if we still have drowning, the government must accept the responsibility that when you have allowed such excavation of pits, you have not made sure that they are being covered after the excavation, and the government has to accept this responsibility at its doorstep. As far as the drowning in the Tilari Canal, apparently it was in the farm of some person. And I think that if we say tomorrow that if there is a drowning in a swimming pool, let us say of a hotel or of some resort, then don't we book the owners of that? Don't we book those people by saying you should have somebody in charge? You can't make money in your farmhouse by trying to have picnics and allowing people to drown, because when you know there are dangerous spots, you should have your swimmers there, you should have your lifeguards there, and you should have warning signs to people not to venture into those boats. I think it's not simply to cry over and say, oh Melo, you have to also now hold the owners of these farmhouses accountable. You make money, you also spend money to make sure that people's lives are taken care and they are saved should any misfortune happen.